Okay, Connell, last part I need to do is just listen to your chest, okay? What I'll get you to do, with your mouth open for me, I want you to take a nice slow breath in and out, like this. Good for you.
Each lobe of both lungs should be auscultated individually using the diaphragm of a pediatric stethoscope.
And at the side.
Remember that the lower lung lobes must be auscultated posteriorly and that sounds from both the right and left sides should be compared. Listen separately to inspiration and expiration. The normal ratio is 3:1. Characterize the normal breath sounds as bronchial, bronchovesicular, or vesicular. Listen for adventitial sounds such as crepitations, wheezes, or rubs. Differentiate upper versus lower airway obstruction. When consolidation is suspected, it is useful to auscultate for vocal resonance if the child's age allows.